Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't end up with a buyer's remorse the size of Mount Everest. Today, we're diving into the wild skies of budget drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone. Let's call it the Holy Stone because why not bless our wallets, right? And on the right, the LMRC-12 drone, or just LMRC-12, because saying it twice doesn't make it twice as good. Or does it? Let's find out. Holy Stone comes in at a heavenly $99. LMRC-12 is a bit kinder to your bank account at $79. That's $20 you could spend on, I don't know, snacks for your drone watching party. LMRC-12 takes the cake here, folks. Or should I say, takes the chips. Holy Stone boasts a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. It's like giving your drone a pair of fancy glasses, perfect for capturing those Insta-worthy shots. LMRC-12 isn't slacking off either, with its 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Plus, it even has dual camera switching. Whoa, it's like the drone version of a transformer, more than meets the eye. Both drones are selfie-ready, but LMRC-12 gives you that extra flexibility. Flex on LMRC-12. Holy Stone has altitude hold, headless mode, and some wild 3D flips. It's like a circus act in the air, without the creepy clowns. LMRC-12, on the other hand, offers headless mode, one-key start landing, hand gesture photo video, and altitude hold. Oh, and did I mention it has 3-level flight speeds? It's like the Fast and Furious, but with drones. Vin Diesel, eat your heart out. Battery life, because nobody wants their drone to drop out of the sky like a sack of potatoes. Holy Stone gives you 20 minutes of sky time with its 2 modular batteries. Not bad, right? LMRC-12 laughs in the face of 20 minutes and offers a whopping 26 minutes with its 2 high-capacity batteries. That's like getting an extra commercial break during your favorite show. More airtime, more fun. Holy Stone brings some cool mobile controls to the table. Voice control, gestures control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. It's like having a drone that listens to you better than your dog. LMRC-12 isn't far behind with its path drawing feature in the app and strong wind resistance thanks to its brushless motors. Plus, it's FCC certified, so it's like the drone equivalent of having a diploma. Very fancy, LMRC-12. Reviewers praise the Holy Stone HS110D for its ease of use, stability, and durability, making it a great value for beginners. However, the camera quality and battery life receive mixed feedback. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 is appreciated for its entertainment value, good video quality, and ease of use, though some users have complaints about the app and build quality. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holy Stone with its heavenly features and the LMRC-12 with its wallet-friendly price and longer flight time. Both have their perks, but if you're looking for a longer flight and a bit of extra cash in your pocket, LMRC-12 might just be your new best friend. But hey, if you're into some cool flips and a camera that's wide-eyed and bushy-tailed, Holy Stone is calling your name. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're rooting for. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more smart buys, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Peace out. Product links are in the description.